Hi, it's Emilee, and today is Stampin' Sunday. Last week I was playing with this Dollar Tree stamp set in my glue book, and I had stamped off some extras on a sheet of white paper, and I said that I would start coloring them and fussy cutting them. I have since finished coloring in, and I've fussy cut. I have 3 really pretty dragonflies and 3 of what I think are cone flowers. Someone left a comment to let me know they thought these were cone flowers, and I think they're right. I went ahead and colored them yellow. Cone flowers that I've seen are pink, but I decided to go with yellow. I found a craft card that needs a front, so I'm going to create a front with this, and here's an envelope to go with it. But on Mother's Day, a friend that I met on YouTube, her name's Renee, she lives up in Michigan, which is quite a ways from me, and we've always just been friends via Facebook Messenger and on YouTube. But she surprised me and stopped by the house, and she gifted me some things, and I think I am going to create 2 of the cards with some of the things she gifted to me. I want to show you them, but first I want to show you a picture. This is a picture her husband took of us. This is the first time we've met in person, and we've been friends virtually for about 3 years. I remember talking to her during the pandemic and things. So it was such a joy to meet Renee in person, and she surprised me and gave me some really cute things. She said she found them at Joann's. There's some really cute enamel dots, circles, flowers, and hearts. A wonderful stamp set. It says it's Maggie Holmes Woodland Grove. And so I think I'll use these next week for Stampin' Sunday. Come back and you'll see me using those. And then a really cool Hero Arts greetings. Happy birthday, it's your day, blessed with deepest sympathy. Congrats, good luck, so proud of you, happy anniversary. Really versatile set of sentiments. She also gifted me this cool Maggie Holmes 6x8 paper pack. There's 36 sheets, and there's some cut aparts, and I think there's 18 different patterns here, and they're in here twice. So after 18, it will repeat, but I just love all of these. They're amazing. So you'll be seeing me use these. Isn't that the coolest? And she also gifted me this Woodland and Grove card kit, and I'm going to pull a couple of the card bases out of here. There's 20 cards, there's 5 different designs, there's stickers, there's washi strips, there's pop dots, and there's 60 pieces of ephemera and envelopes. So I won't go through everything, but I want to find some card bases for these. But look at this wonderful pack of ephemera. There's just so much in there. And then there's these stickers. Really, really cool. And here's the washi strips. And then look at the beautiful cards. They're just gorgeous. And I'm thinking of my cone flowers and the dragonflies, and as I'm looking at them, I'm trying to decide what might be a nice card base for that. This one is a possibility. That's cute, a cute grid. Oh, the other side has some flowers on it. That's really nice. Grayscale flowers, and then here's the pop dots and the envelopes. Okay. I have to narrow it down. I have to make a decision. I want to do something different, but I don't want to mix the flowers too much. Here, I'm going to do this one. Okay, we're gonna grab 2 of the cards, or 2 of the envelopes. And for now, we'll put these away. Thank you, Renee, for visiting me and for these wonderful things. You know that I'll be using them. I just love it. Okay. So, first things first, let's do the craft cardstock first. I have a card front here. I'm going to be leaving these all blank inside, and I can add sentiments later because these will just be on hand. They might turn into a sympathy card or a thinking of you card. It's hard to tell. I'm going to distress with some vintage photo distressing. I just tore the flowers out. I didn't worry about fussy cutting them. I like the look of a torn edge. I've got my ATG. For a larger element like these cone flowers, I use an ATG. For something as specific as this tiny tail of this dragonfly, I'm going to get out my art glitter glue. The art glitter glue refill bottle looks like this. This is the applicator bottle. It's just gotten used so much that I've taped it up. But both the art glitter glue and the Scotch ATG are available on Amazon. I will link to those in the description. I'm an Amazon associate and receive a commission for qualifying purchases. I don't know if you can see, but it makes just the most finely precise bead of glue, and I was able to get glue on that tiny dragonfly tail. And it will dry clear, which is another thing that I really like about that glue. I think I will use some of the hearts in this set that Renee gave me. They'll look really cute. Kind of just fluttering like that. I think that's pretty. So there's one card. Let's do the one on the cute gingham. I like each card to be a little bit different, so you'll see that the elements, while they're the same, like on this one, the dragonfly's on the right. This one, he's lower and he's on the left. Just like to do a variety of things with my supplies. Oh, I love these. They're so cute. Okay, and last but not least, we'll do one with the pretty pink grid background. Aren't these little dimensional enamel dot hearts. I am definitely in love with them. They're so cute. Here are my 3 cards created with this stamp set that I got at Dollar Tree and this awesome Woodland and Grove card kit. I used the card bases that Renee gave me and then the enamel dot set. I still have plenty of those left. Such pretty colors, I love them. Our Stampin' Sunday hosts are Thelma and Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. Be sure to search the hashtag Stampin' Sunday to see what everyone else has been creating with their stamps this week. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.